This is the AirPods Pro 3. Alright, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to set up the AirPods Pro 3. So, I'm going to need this one. I bought two, one for me and one for my mom. So you can just put that one out the way for now and focus on this one. So we're going to be unboxing it, opening it at the back. And this is the newest one that came out yesterday, and today I finally got it. So let's see. Apple, the slow unboxing experience. Designed by Apple in California. Right. So this is all of like the paper teaching you how to set it up. It's pretty simple process. It has noise cancellation, active noise cancellation, or ANC, and it can, during workouts, it can track your heart rate. And you could pause, play, reverse, mute, hang up calls, control the volume. And it can use MagSafe charger, your Apple Watch charger, or you could plug it in from the bottom. Now we move on to the actual AirPods. So as you can see, there's more stuff over under here. This is the ear tips, just in case the ones already in here don't fit. Now for the AirPods. And according to the thing, you're just supposed to open it. And it should pair. Yeah. Unlock to connect. It looks to be working. Oh. Okay. First, we place both AirPods in both ears. Really designed to fit in your ear. How do the AirPods Pro feel in your ears? Okay, learn more about changing. If it's too big, then you can change it, but for me, they fit a bit comfortably. Okay, just skip. Announce calls and notifications. Probably wouldn't want it to announce everything. Wait, move your head up and down. Oh, and then live translation. This one was one of the Apple Intelligence features, so I'm gonna do English and Spanish. There's also English UK, French, German, Portuguese, and of course Spanish and English US. So I'm gonna continue downloading those. And then in the control center, they had different options like listening mode. I could change that from noise cancellation to transparency to hear more. Oh, I can hear myself and I can hear it through the speakers. And then adaptive, and then it plays also like a noise. Like I hear a noise every time I change it. It's kind of cool. So yeah, and then there's noise cancellation where it blocks out the noise coming from it. And then there's conversational awareness. So if I'm talking to someone, like,
hey honey, what are you doing?
I can hear someone better, like over noise, over music. It could be head tracking. If you want to test if your AirPods are actually in, you can go to settings, AirPod Pros, your new AirPods, and then scroll down all the way to fit and comfort, and you can test the acoustic seal. And it gives you acoustic performance, one part of a great fit, and it helps you choose the most comfortable fit. So you can test it to see the audio quality and the noise cancellation. So if I hit continue, so it just played sound music in my ears, and now it says the ear tips you're using are good fit for both ears. Both are good. Yeah, it can test if it's good, and now you know if your AirPods actually fit or if you might need to replace it. And this is the video showing you how to replace your ear tips. If you're in like a loud environment, you should turn that on if you're in, so that it lowers the volume. And if you use this for like a hearing aid, you can take hearing results and see if AirPods are good fit, because they are cheaper than actual hearing aids. And you can also use this as a camera remote. So if you're starting a video and you don't want to start it from your camera and then run all the way over to where you're gonna be, you can use your AirPods to start. And then it can also sense if you're falling asleep. So if you use it while you're sleeping, so it won't waste battery life, it can pause the music as soon as you fall asleep. So I can hear it from where the phone is, basically. And then there's fix, where it doesn't matter where it is. And then off, where it's just the regular sound. So yeah, that's basically it.